So hello and welcome to another video. Today I have Ning with me for the mock test. How are you feeling?
I feel great today.
Good.
Yeah.
Any question?
No.
I have question for you.
Uh-huh.
If you can tell me, how would you know if your direction indicators are working before starting a journey?
I press the hazard lights and go out, turn around to check.
Good. Now drive off when you're ready.
Yeah.
He showed good observation before moving off.
Check. Okay, let's go. I need a little bit of time to familiar your car.
No worries.
Okay.
Now at the end of the road, turn left, and then we are going right from the roundabout, third exit.
On this left turn, the vehicle approaching from the right slowed slightly for us, but because there was a roundabout immediately after the turn, the driver would have needed to slow down anyway.
Clear.
It wasn't enough to justify marking a fault. Here the learner was drifting between both lanes. This could have been serious fault if following traffic had been held up. But as no one was behind, I marked this as a driving fault for positioning. He could have planned ahead and moved back into the left lane as soon as the roadworks ended. But he delayed slightly before returning to the correct lane. You should always stay in the left lane unless you need to overtake or are turning right. He didn't check his center mirror to make sure it was safe to brake as the traffic was building up ahead. No one was close behind, so I marked this as a driving fault. He changed lanes safely.
I don't know which way, so I go to the middle.
Ahead. Like
Okay.
I said, if I don't see anything, you will
Okay.
keep going ahead.
Yeah.
You can pull up on the left on safe pace. Thank you. Drive off when you're ready.
Right.
He kept a safe speed and maintained good clearance from both the parked vehicles and oncoming traffic in this meeting situation. He dealt with this closed junction safely.
At the roundabout, go right, fifth exit.
Okay, it's different this time.
Sorry?
I mean, the lane is closed.
Yeah,
The inside the
roadwork.
circle. Yeah, let's go.
On this multi-lane roundabout, the lanes were quite narrow, but he kept a safe speed and maintained a good position throughout.
Keep slow.
because of the parked car ahead in left lane, he needed to change lane. However, he forced this white car to stop by drifting to the right without even signaling or checking that it was safe. In slow moving traffic like this, you must indicate and wait until another driver allows you to move across. I mark this as a serious fault. He could have kept the junction clear to allow traffic from the side road to flow. However, there were only two cars waiting to turn right, so it didn't affect the traffic flow massively. I mark this as a driving fault.
Now when it is safe, if you can show me how will you roll down and roll up your window, please. Thank you.
As we can see, there wasn't enough room for both direction of traffic to flow because of the parked vehicles on the left. Instead of stopping and allowing the oncoming car to go first, he continued and forced the other driver to stop. I mark this as a serious fault.
Next roundabout we are going ahead, second exit.
He could have moved into the left lane to go ahead for the second exit on this roundabout, but the middle lane was also permitted for going ahead, so I didn't mark any fault. He then misjudged the exit and took the third exit instead of second. However, this lane allowed both the second and third exit, and taking a wrong turn safely is not a fault.
Like you miscount the exit. This was third exit,
Okay.
but it's okay. No need to worry. Alright, now we will do reverse exercise.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, I
Yeah,
want
I'm
you to
ready.
reverse 2 car length space. Thank you. Drive off when you're ready.
Okay.
There was a delay between his initial left blind spot check and moving off. I mark this as a driving fault. You must check the required blind spot immediately before moving off to make sure it's safe. While going ahead, he didn't check the left side before crossing the giveaway lines. I mark this as a serious fault.
So, that's end of your test.
Yeah.
How you feel?
I feel great. Very
Pass or
smooth.
fail? What do you think?
I think it's passed.
You think you passed?
Very smooth. Not speedy. Mirror and check.
I will tell you in a minute.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're fail, unfortunately.
What? Okay. Tell me
Yeah.
why.
You know, near the Solihull train station, from the traffic light where we turn left.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Uh,
There was a lorry parked on the left, and you were overtaking that lorry while there was a car approaching from front, the black car. You should have stopped. If parked vehicle is on your side,
Okay.
who have priority? You or oncoming?
coming.
Yeah. So you should have stopped, but you started overtaking. You just did another serious fault here.
Yeah.
There is a giveaway line before the fuel garage.
Okay.
So you cross that giveaway line without looking left side. Can you go through giveaway line
But
without
there's no
watching?
car.
But
on the
you
map.
didn't look there. How will you know if there is anyone or not?
Okay. Even.
And people
Okay.
fail here in the first minute of the test.
So
if,
you mean-
if your test start and they come
Okay.
this way, and you will not watch both side, and you will cross giveaway line, you will fail your test, no matter if someone is there or not.
Okay, okay. understand. Thanks for the lesson.
No worries.
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
any question?
No, I don't have.
Thank you very much for
Okay.
watching. If
Yeah.
you need a mock test, you can always contact me. And
Yeah.
thank you very much for coming for the mock test.
Thank
and
you.
good
Thank you
luck
very
for
much.
your actual
Next
test.
month. Okay, great.
Alright.
See you.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I will see you in the next video.
Okay, bye bye.
Alright.